I have some aluminum profiles and I need a way to connect them. Of course you could buy those things off the shelf, but where's the fun in that? I need 16 of them, so let's get started. This is the first part, so I'm going rather slowly. It seems to work okay, but I want to see how far I can push this machine. So during the next parts I tried many different feeds and speeds. Some of them didn't work out that well. But I think this already looks fairly amazing for a 3D printed CNC. Chip evacuation definitely needs to be improved. I am already planning to install an air blast for that. .2mm depth of cut seems to be a little bit too much. At 1.4mm depth of cut, the chip evacuation was so bad that I had to stop the machine. Therefore I decided to use 1mm for the rest of the parts. But as soon as the air blast is installed, I'm going to try to find the real limits of this machine.